Next topic is cut point or cut vertex. Suppose this is the graph G is given to you, then a vertex V. Any vertex V in the graph G is called a cut vertex or a cut point if the subgraph G minus V is disconnected. Make sure the graph you have is a connected graph. So let us take an example. This is a graph given to you. Now this is connected. So we can check for cut vertex or the cut point. Let us choose D. Now we have to check this if this D, vertex D, is a cut point or a cut vertex. So for that we have to find the subgraph G minus D. So we remove this vertex D from this graph. When I remove this vertex D, these edges will be automatically removed, right? As we have discussed earlier, what is a graph meant by G minus vertex D. So when I remove this vertex D, these edges will be removed and the graph become this. Now since this graph is disconnected, hence D is a cut vertex. Take another example. Let us remove A. Suppose I remove A from this graph. If I remove A, this one and this one, these three edges will be removed and the graph we will have is this one. G minus A, this is the graph we received, right? Now since this graph is connected, hence A is not a cut vertex. So for having a cut vertex, you have to make sure that after removing that particular vertex, the graph becomes disconnected. Check another vertex. Okay, B. If I remove B, this one and this, these three edges will be removed and the remaining graph will be the connected graph. Hence B is not a cut vertex. Again C, these two edges will be removed. The rest of the graph is connected. Hence C is not a cut vertex. D is a cut vertex as we have already discussed. Again E. If I remove E, these four edges will be removed and the remaining graph is disconnected. Hence E is a cut vertex. F. If I remove F, these three edges will be removed again. So the rest of the graph is connected. Hence E is not a cut vertex. Similarly, G is not a cut vertex. H is not a cut vertex. Only D and E are the cut vertices in this graph. Okay, the next topic is the bridge. Bridge, suppose again you are having a connected graph. If you remove an edge E from the given graph, then E is said to be a bridge if G minus E is a disconnected graph. So look at this graph G. What's the graph G? So now we have to remove the edges. Suppose I remove the edge E7. If I remove this edge E7, the graph will become this one. Now since this graph is disconnected, hence E7 is a bridge. If I have removed E2, if I remove E2, the rest of the graph will become all the edges except E2. Again, since the graph that we receive after removing E2 is a connected graph, hence E2 is not a bridge. Sorry, we were at this, right? So here, if I remove E1, E2, E3, E4, E6, E5, if I remove any of these edges, the graph will not become disconnected. Hence, these are not bridges. Only E7 is the bridge because its removal make the graph disconnected. And the next is your cut set. Okay, cut set. Let's go to the definition first. It is a set of all minimum number of edges of G whose removal disconnects the graph G is called a cut set of a graph G. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Now, this is the graph given to you. right? If I remove E5, then the remaining graph becomes this one. Okay, I'll tell you this with the help of an example. The graph given to you is this one. A, B, D, C, H, E, and here's F, whether it's G, E3, E4, E1, E2, E5, E9, E8, E6 and E7. Now this is the graph given to you. You have to find out the cut sets. Cut sets. So first, if I remove E5, the graph I received will be this one. Now since this graph is disconnected, hence E5 becomes a cut set. If I take this, okay, if I remove, suppose I removed E4, then the graph is this. Now the graph is connected, so alone E4 does not make the graph disconnected. So let us suppose I removed E2 as well. So I removed this one. Now the graph is this and these edges. Since this graph is disconnected, hence it becomes a cut set. Again, suppose I have taken this E4, E2 and E3. So after removing these three edges, the graph I received is this. Again, this graph is disconnected, but it is not a cut set because it is not minimal. Since it is not minimal, you can check. Since simply by removing E4 and E2, the graph becomes disconnected. So this is not a necessary edge to be removed. We only include those edges which are must. Like सिर्फ E2 और E2 and E4 को हटाने से ही हमारा ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्टेड हो रहा है, तो हमें E3 की ज़रूरत नहीं है. E3 एक एडिशनल है, अगर मैं इसे नहीं भी हटाऊँ तब भी मेरा ग्राफ डिस्कनेक्टेड हो जाएगा, राइट? और हमें सिर्फ मिनिमल नंबर ऑफ एजेस चाहिए, तो दिस इज़ नॉट अ कट सेट because E4, E2 again alone serve our purpose. But if I removed E4 and E3, suppose I have this E4 and E3. Again, this is not a cut set since after removing E4 and E3, I received this graph. This graph is connected. So it is not a cut set. For making it a cut set, E4 and E3, I cannot include E2, right? Because if I include E2, then again E4 or E2 alone serve our purpose. E3 is not required. So with E4, E3, if I remove, no, it can never be a cut set, right? If I take E4 and E1, then if I remove E4 and E1, the graph I received is this one. This is disconnected. So it is a cut set. Let's go back to the definition. It is a set of all minimum number of edges of G. Make sure you only have minimum number of edges. You only add the edges which are required. Do not add the edges which are just there for a presence. If they are necessary, include them, else remove them. Whose removal disconnects the graph is called a cut set. So these are the examples of cut set. This topic is over. Thank you.